Welcome to Tempo Timekeeping. This training is focused on requesting pre-approved leave in the Tempo timekeeping system. We'll review adding a new leave request, recalling a submitted leave request in order to change or delete it, checking the status of a leave request, and changing or deleting an approved leave request. Keep in mind that when we say submitted, we mean that you sent it to your supervisor, but it has not yet been approved, while approved means that your supervisor has reviewed and authorized the leave. Let's start with adding a new leave request. Let's say you're planning a family vacation and need to request leave for October 1st and October 2nd. You plan to use 8 hours of vacation leave and 8 hours of personal holiday leave. From the My Timekeeping section of the Tempo homepage, you'll click the Leave Requests drop-down menu and select Create New. Then you'll select the pay period. For this example, you'll select the October 2020 pay period and click OK. Make sure that the correct pay period is displayed. Then click Next. As you can see, the leave request is created with one default leave line with a leave event of vacation. You plan to use vacation, so you can just enter 8 hours of leave on October 1st. Now, let's add a second leave line for the personal holiday leave. You do this by clicking the Add Leave option on the bottom of the panel. As you can see, another leave line has been added to the request. Note that an error message pops up automatically, letting you know that you have to pick a leave event. So let's do that. Using the drop-down menu, you'll select the leave event, Personal Holiday. Notice that the error disappears once the leave event is selected. Then enter the 8 hours of leave on October 2nd. Great! Your leave request is ready to submit. Now, if you aren't ready to submit the request yet, you can save a draft and come back to update and submit it later. Just click the Save button here. If you are ready to submit the leave request, simply press the Submit button. This will bring up the signature certification pop-up box. By clicking Yes here, you are digitally signing your leave request. That's it. You've added a leave request and submitted it to your supervisor. Your supervisor will receive an email that looks like this, letting them know that there's a leave request for them to approve in Tempo. Now let's talk about the recall function. Let's say you decide to extend your vacation and you want to add October 5th to your leave request. No problem. If the leave request is still pending, meaning that it hasn't yet been approved by your supervisor, you can use the recall function on the Leave Request page. From the My Timekeeping panel, click the Leave Requests drop-down menu and select List Requests. Find your pending leave request in October and click it to open it. Simply click the Recall button here, then confirm that you want to recall the leave request by clicking Yes. Great! Your leave request has been recalled and it's ready for you to change. Add the additional 8 hours of vacation leave to the request for October 5th and you're all set to resubmit the updated request. If you had wanted to cancel the whole vacation, you would just hit the Delete button here to delete the leave request. But let's not do that. Let's just resubmit the updated request by hitting the Submit button and choosing Yes. Great! Your updated request is now resubmitted. So, how will you know the status of your leave request? Well, once your supervisor has reviewed your request and approved or rejected it, you will get a system-generated email from Tempo. This is what an approval email will look like, and this is what a rejection email will look like. If your request is rejected, there will be an explanation in the email. You can also check the status of your leave request directly in Tempo. From the My Timekeeping section of the Tempo homepage, click the Leave Request drop-down menu and select Leave Requests. This will bring up a list of all of your leave requests. As you can see, your October leave request has been approved. Once your leave request is approved, the leave is automatically added to the appropriate timesheet. Let's open the October timesheet to see what that looks like. From the home page, click the Timesheets drop-down menu and select List My Timesheets. This will bring up a list of all your Tempo timesheets. Because you have pre-approved leave hours, a draft of the October timesheet has been generated by the system. Open the October timesheet by clicking anywhere on the timesheet line, and you can see that the leave hours requested are present on the timesheet. You can see that the leave has been pre-approved because there's an approval number associated with the leave. Only pre-approved leave will have an approval number. So now your pre-approved leave request is complete and on your timesheet. The last thing we'll review is how to change or delete an approved leave request. Now that your leave request is approved and the leave has been added to the appropriate timesheet, the only way to make changes to it is on the timesheet itself. Since we're here on the timesheet, let's see how that works. Click the Revise Request icon on the leave line. This will allow you to recall the leave request to edit it as we did previously, or delete the leave request altogether. Note that deleting the leave request affects all of the leave in that request. In our case, it will delete both the vacation leave and the personal holiday leave. Let's go ahead and delete the leave request by clicking the Delete button. Okay, your leave request has been deleted. Now you know how to add, recall submitted, check the status of, and delete leave requests. You can re-watch this video anytime you need a refresher. And be sure to check out the other videos in the references information and links section.